You can't hear your heart in survival. When your body is in survival mode, it's hard to feel what's truly right for you. The heart speaks quietly and it needs safety to be heard. That's where simple breathwork helps. This morning, I did box breathing. Inhaling for 6 seconds, holding for 6, exhaling for 6, and holding for 6, and then repeat. This gentle rhythm calms the nervous system and signals safety. And from that safety, we can reconnect with inspiration instead of reaction. After a few rounds, I do some gentle movement to really feel the new space in my body, feeling all that ease and expansion. Just a few minutes like this regularly trains the body to return to calm. And when the body feels safe, living authentically becomes much easier. And that changes everything.